What if your research could do more than answer questions? What if it could save lives?
When I first moved back to Singapore, I started off as a research assistant here at Duke-NUS. I got great exposure to how close we are to the translational and clinical side of science and research. I wanted to make a real impact with research, and Duke-NUS looked like the place where I could do it.
My journey in research began early. I had an opportunity to intern at Professor Lisa Ng's lab in the Infectious Diseases Lab in A*STAR. This internship was pivotal because it sparked my interest in infectious disease research and taught me the importance of hands-on research experience.
The Duke-NUS PhD programs shape the researchers of tomorrow, taking their findings from bench to bedside.
Duke-NUS has a focus on translational research, so if that's something that aligns with your research interest, then it's a great place to grow. And Duke-NUS is also interdisciplinary, and there's faculty and staff from different fields.
Guided by world-renowned faculty, you'll explore complex biomedical challenges using state-of-the-art facilities.
Duke-NUS is a close-knit community that fosters a collaborative and stimulating learning environment. There is a strong support system for graduate students with faculty and staff always available to provide guidance and assistance.
If you're ready to turn your passion for science into impact, your journey begins here. Discover our PhD programs today.